Happy birthday to you. That's your birthday cake. Happy birthday, dear Piper. Happy birthday to you. What do you think?
Oh, Piper.
What do you think? You can get a piece too. Do you want to sing happy? You want to say happy birthday to Piper?
Mine.
Okay. Look at that, Piper. What do you think? Do you like that?
Mom.
Fun times. You're a big 1-year-old girl. We're so happy for you. You had a tough first year, but your second year is going to be awesome. Even better than last.
You're not doing a number on that cake. Are you going to throw it off? Oh, boy.
I don't think one bit has hit her mouth yet. All right. Love you, Piper.